Here is the front of the 50 Pontiac radio. As you can see, I think you can see, the speaker is in excellent shape. I don't see any rips or tears or holes. This knob doesn't go with the radio, but I couldn't turn it without. The little shaft was too small. But you can see it does move the pointer. The push buttons work real well. So, and also the chrome knob covers are all in place on the bottom piece there. So it's really a pretty nice looking radio all in all. Just too bad that vibrator wasn't working, but a new vibrator and she ought to come to life.